We are ROX. We have been a part of your lives and daily activities for over 25 years. We are a part of your moments of pleasure and happiness, a part of your lasting stories. We bring global brands from various segments, including tools, car care products and equipment, cycling and electronics. We delight your children with our toy selection, make maintaining your home and garden a little easier, and add a little magic to your trips, vacations, and recreational activities. The ROX company was established in 1992 in Croatia. Shortly thereafter, it expanded its business to other countries in the region, where it is recognized for representing some of the world's top brands.
Firma ROX ima 165 ljudi zaposleno. Poslujemo u Hrvatskoj, Bosni i Hercegovini, Srbiji, Kosovu i ove godine smo krenuli u Sloveniji.
Through our strategic, dedicated, and responsible approach to business, we have built trust amongst our partners, whose brands we represent across the region.
Strani partneri koji su vlasnici svjetskih brendova odlučili su se za ROX i tu je naša velika prednost.
Još od početka 90. godina, kad je firma ROX započela sa svojim djelovanjem, vodeće multinacionalne kompanije su je prepoznale za pouzdanog partnera za distribuciju poznatih svjetskih brendova. Tako zastupamo WD-40 koji je najpoznatiji svjetski i najprodavaniji sprej za zaštitu metala, zatim WUNDER-BAUM koji je prvi također najprodavaniji svjetski osvježivač za automobile. Također u asortimanu imamo i Armorol autokozmetiku, STP aditive koji su lideri u svome segmentu. U asortimanu imamo i brand Nigrin, zatim tu je KH7 odmašćivač i sredstva za kućanstvo. Također imamo i auto žarulje i rasvjetu Osram.
Always there, always available. From Zagreb, where our story began, to Orazia and Modrica in Bosnia and Herzegovina, to Sarajevo and Banja Luka. Our modern distribution center, found in the capital city of Croatia, is 7,000 square meters large, holding 4,000 pallets. There, you can always expect new offers amongst the 5,000 different products available. Bosnia and Herzegovina is supplied from the distribution center in Orazia, ensuring availability and timely delivery on this territory, as well as in neighboring countries. In addition to Orazia, you will find us in Modrica. Our showrooms are located in B&H's two largest cities, Sarajevo and Banja Luka.
Poslovnice imaju cilj da našim stalnim i potencijalnim kupcima dočaraju ozbiljnost kompanije, te da kupci kroz izložbene prostore imaju mogućnost da se osobno uvjere u kvalitetu naših robnih grupa.
Koristimo vrhunska softverska rješenja u svojem poslovanju. Mobilno skladište upravljamo preko VMS-a koje nam omogućava da smo brzi i ekspeditivni.
Advanced technology solutions facilitate business operations and ensure delivery within 24 to 48 hours to clients in the same country, or 3 to 5 days if abroad. Compliance with standards is our imperative.
Firma ROX posluje po najvišim europskim standardima, znači radimo sa TÜV-om, radimo sa SGS-om, ISO 9001, radimo u Hrvatskoj sa Croatia kontrolom, znači vodimo računa našim brendovima.
Our wide range of products demand exceptional flexibility and adaptability to constant market changes, monitoring of global and regional trends, as well as constant growth and development. But ROX is not only a representative of global brands. In a world that never sleeps, we are aware of the ongoing human need for movement and travel. So when you hit the road, we will make sure that your carefree moments start at our modern gas stations, where you can fill up your gas tank and much more. ROX is present in several countries of the region. We devotedly monitor our customers' needs, adapting to their new habits and preferences. We care about their satisfaction and carefree smiles, as well as their quality of life.
Ponosni smo na naše brendove i mladost tima.
Ponosni smo također i da svjetski brendovi i dalje pokazuju zanimanje za firmu ROX kao strateškog partnera za poslovanje na tržištu BiH.
Ponosan sam na svoje zaposlenike i na svoje partnere u Europi pa i u svijetu.
Ponosni smo na povjerenje ovih velikih tvrtki koje opravdavamo već preko 20 godina. Njihov odabir pokazuje kvalitetu i predanost našeg rada.
We are ROX, and we are a part of your lasting stories.